All right, welcome to another edition of Hoover's History. We're going to call this Locker Crashers, and it's dealing with organizational skills with your locker. I'm doing this because I've had students ask, parents ask, and even some teachers ask. Basically, is there a simple way to organize the locker to where they take their homework home and they do not forget it? So that's we're going to try this and see if this works for you. All right. I compare it to the water cycle first. And you have mountains, and that's going to be a representation of your book bag. And then that's going to go down into the collection area, and that is going to represent the bottom of your locker. Then you have evaporation, condensation, and precipitation, and that is a representation of the top of your locker. So you're going to see that in this next slide. And I call it the locker cycle. So throughout the entire day, throughout your entire day here at school, everything's going to be on the top shelf. That's where we always want to start. So our book bag is going to be emptied, and the bottom shelf is going to be empty. So as we go into our periods of classrooms here, if we do have homework, we're going to go ahead and put that right into the book bag, and that's exactly where it needs to stay. If we do not have homework, and that's going to go on the very bottom of the locker and needs to be neatly put away there. So again, by the end of the day, the top of the shelf should be emptied. Homework only goes into the book bag, and if you don't have homework, it goes into the bottom of the shelf of your locker. So that way, this happens to you. So you're walking out, you got an exit ticket, and you have confidence, and you have all your homework with you, so that way you will not forget to do it, and basically save your grade a little bit as well. So let's take another look of exit tickets. Okay, another way to exit. Don't let this happen to you. Finishing the exit ticket before the bell rings. Go, go, go. That's not the way we want to be when we're trying to exit the class and in such a hurry. So that's just another little exit ticket I thought I would throw in there for a little humor. Okay, walking back into the campus and the learning environment. As you can see, these individuals are, they're not feeling stressful because they're smiling, and looks like they have all their homework done, and they're coming back on the campus and getting ready for another day of learning and education. So when they start their day off, this is what needs to go on with the locker cycle. So we go with the books all back on the top of the shelf. So we take everything out of the book bag, we put that on the top of the shelf because the shelf is already emptied. So that goes on the top of the shelf, out of the book bag, nothing should be in it. Go ahead and take everything from the bottom of the shelf, that was your no homework items, and go ahead and put that back on the top of the shelf. So that way we have all books are on top of the shelf, nothing in the book bag, nothing in the bottom of the shelf, and then we're ready to start the cycle all over again. So I hope this helped out and help your students to stay a lot more organized.